Braintree, but, I looked behind me a little while ago and I spotted this giant orange thing, and then I found Chris and I said, Chris, you got to tell me what this is and what you do. So tell me a little bit about it.
Hello, Sherry. My name is Chris Hall. This is called an ELF, which is a velomobile, which is the translated word means bike car. What I do with this is I go around the South Shore area of Boston and I deliver computers to children who are autistic and handicapped. And this is a eco-friendly vehicle, so I like to go around and promote it to people.
Why do you like to do this? Like, why is this important to you?
Well, it's important to me because I am autistic myself. This is my day-to-day job and this is my day-to-day vehicle. So I thought I'd come out here today and be able to share this with everybody in Massachusetts and wherever else people may be watching this. So
yeah, great story. You're being eco-friendly, you're helping people, you're doing some great stuff. Now, do you have any kind of number of how many kids you've helped or how many computers you collect?
Well, we work with many computer shops in the South Shore area. We go around in this and we pick them up and I take them home, I refurbish them, and then they get distributed to children all over the South Shore. We have donated approximately about 40 units in the past 7 to 8 years. It's just, it's just the mass amount of people who want to get out there and have a computer given to them.
Okay, so where can someone get in touch with you if they have a computer to donate?
Well, you can come visit us on our Facebook page, or you can Google us at Computers for the Autistic Foundation.
All right, Chris, keep up the good work. Job well done.
Thank you,
and I
Sherry.
love this thing. It's really, really cool.
Thank you.